Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a fantastic time. And let's get started with this talk. It's time. Trustworthy car. They are good cars. Yeah. I'm not sure why it's on the bed. But off we go. Down to the shore. Every day. That's what I see. I just see the covers on, the covers off. Is it really getting worked on? My bench is being used. Now I gotta go find another spot. I just can't park myself down on the bench and vlog. I gotta go find another spot. I don't like this spot. My Adventure 2's not in it with me. I guess this spot may have to do, but I'm crunched underneath the low chest table. I'm just getting on out of here. Not much of a talk day, is it? It sure is a talk day. A lot we could talk about. It's showtime! Well, it's that time. Meeting with Joe. Yes, indeed. And I said a lot, did a lot, shit a lot. I gotta check in with some notes and get some things going. And off I go. You know who I am. I'm Fish, and I catch up many other videos to come.